Hey everyone, welcome back. So I just want to say sorry to everyone who have been watching my videos continuously, who have been subscribing my channel. So sorry for that. It's been 2 weeks I didn't upload any video. So I've been messed up with my startup work and then my higher studies plan. So I've been quite occupied those works. So that's the main reason I couldn't able to shoot the videos on time, guys. So sorry for that. I'll try to make videos on regular basis on from today onwards. So sorry for that, guys. So in today's video, I want to share about the 5 application which helps to have more productivity in data life activities, guys. You might be a student, you might be a college student, you might be school student, working profession. We believe every time we're facing some kind of distraction when you're working for continuously, especially college student. Whenever we get a pop-up message from Instagram and some kind of social media platforms, we tend to watch those videos. So those kind of messages, which ultimately lack of focus and lack of work scenarios, which lead to failure, guys. So that's the main reason I'm going to make this video, guys. So without wasting much, let's get into the video, guys. This first application which I want to share with you is Google Calendar. So I know everyone know about Google Calendar, but there are few students, few working profession who does not use the Google Calendar as a more productivity. So I want to share a few tips how to use Google Calendar, guys. So in Google Calendar, you might be not visible of seeing so many options, but Google Calendar have plenty of options, guys. Let's say if you have a meeting tomorrow with clients and if family members or if relatives, in Google Calendar you have something kind of domain called links, so you can able to add those kind of links over there, which makes you feel easy whenever you want to meet some kind of clients and friends. You just need to log in a Google Calendar, just clicking on that link, you'll directly direct at Google Meet, guys, which helps you have a meeting on time. Even one more thing, Google Calendar, you can able to set your deadlines, guys. So if you have a deadline of project this month end, you can set that 1 month deadline. Every day Google Calendar will tend to remind you using a notification or else on-screen display. Even sometimes they used to send mails to your personal email address, guys, which ultimately helps you to complete your task on regular basis, which more productivity. So it's been 6 years I've been using Google Calendar, which has more a beneficial thing for me. So as I want to suggest each and everyone watching this video, guys, the first application in our list. Moving on to next one, Focus Keeper. So I don't know how many people know about the Pomodoro technique. So it's a technique one. So it's basically nothing but they will be having some kind of time limit. Let's say if you are 25 minutes working for 25 minutes, you need to take break between 25 minutes, guys. Let's say working for 25 minutes, you need to take break for 5 minutes, which indirectly helps you to have more productivity. So as a reason, they've been following this technique from past, they've been following from 90s generation. So it's had beneficial technique, guys. So even I tried to follow this technique, but sometimes we won't able to follow this technique. But if you're a kind of person, if you're a college student, working profession, I guess this technique will definitely help you to boost your day, guys. So to follow this technique, there is a app called Focus Keeper, which helps you to keep time transaction. Let's say working for 25 minutes, it just using application, you can able to on that application screen time. It will giving some kind of pop-up message once you complete 25 minutes. So after getting break of 5 minutes, it gives some kind of course to motivation course to improve focus and levels in your life, guys. So that's the reason I prefer students might be useful this application. So even I've been using this application past 2 months, so it has more beautiful thing, guys. So even it have few things reducing the screen time, reducing usage of some application social media platforms. So they have numerous amount of things, so you can try it out this application, guys. The second application in my list to have more productivity as a college student working profession. Before moving to the third one, I would like to request one thing from you guys. So it's been 6 months we started our own startup. So we have a Discord channel. We will be posting so many events and some kind of technical, non-technical events. We definitely help you to boost your productivity, guys. So do join Discord channel and you do follow Insta page. So I give a link in description. You can use that link to join Discord channel, Instagram, guys. It definitely help you in all kind of platforms. Let's say if you're working as a working profession, we have some seminars from around the world where they teach latest technology. So you can definitely listen to those seminars. You can able to improve productivity, guys. Even we have various events for college students. We definitely help you to gain some knowledge in that particular domain. So I hope those community help you a lot, guys. So links in description. Do join our Discord channel and Instagram, follows Instagram. Trust me, guys, it definitely improve your productivity. So now moving to the third one, remember the milk, guys. So I know quite people know about this application. There are still people you don't know about the application. Even there's still few people who does not use the application in proper way. So I'm going to share what's a quick intro about this application. We'll look at the benefits of application, guys. So the best advantage application is that we have like different kind of candidates, we have different kind of students in our life. So some people prefer to use mobile phones as a day-to-day activities, some people prefers the desktop as a day-to-day activities. So students ask me, so I used to use the laptop and PC and mobile phones whenever required, so I don't have any specific requirements. So for those kind of students, this application will be definitely helpful guys. So let's say example guys, you have been like assigned a task using mobile phone, but you couldn't able to synchronize that thing in laptop and computer. You might tend to forget those deadlines and clear guys. So for the main reason I prefer this application, in this application you can able to link all the contacts, all the remember tasks in your mobile phone and the PC and the computer using the one mail ID, which definitely help for so many people, especially college students. So we tend to use like on the scenarios basis application of gadgets guys. That's the main reason I prefer like this application will be definitely helpful to task your day-to-day activities. Even best part of application, you can able to store all the notes here guys. So if you have some kind of Word document in your college academic oriented life, you can like store those things in this application. You can refer whenever you want, right? Instead of go through all the documents in gallery and the my files, instead of that you can able to go through the application, which definitely make your time efficiently, even reduce the time limit guys. The main reason I prefer this application as a college student. You can give it a try to guys. So this is the third thing in our list. The fourth thing guys, so for this thing I don't have any application recommendation, this is just suggestion for me. So try to use any password locker guys. So I have like so many students, especially my friends and the family members, they tend to whenever they're studying for long time, they tend to use mobile application to see some kind of feeds in Insta, to see some kind of feeds in YouTube. So for this, to overcome this, I always prefer to use additional lock screen guys. So this application helps you to produce log for each application which have been opening in the day activities. So let's say if you're opening Instagram, it requires some kind of password to open application. But I wonder nowadays Redmi phone, they have like a inbuilt application for the screen, like application locker. So if you're not using Redmi, if you're using Samsung as kind of me, any other phones apart from Redmi, you can try to using some kind of additional application which helps you to like to be like time efficiently. You can able to work on more efficiently instead of wasting time on this some kind of distraction application guys. So I'm using a locker key application, like even if you want to give it, try it out. So it helps me to keep logs for all the application which are being using data activities. So I used to keep some kind of heavy password which helps me to not to take those kind of application as randomly. So it definitely helps you guys. So even try to keep like heavy password in your mobile phone. So instead try avoid fingerprint guys. So why? Because I'm saying these all the things, because like when you're like working for continuously, you tend to lose focus, you tend to distract. So at the time you might be like going to the WhatsApp and the Instagram feeds, will definitely lack your focus guys. The main reason I always used to keep the long passport, even I won't be using fingerprint and face recognition, which definitely boost our career and in all kind of aspects. It definitely boost our time management productivity guys. So the main reason, give it a try out, like installing some kind of lock application for your mobile phone guys. Trust me, definitely help you guys. The fourth application which I want to share with you, the final thing guys, Google Keep. So I know maximum people know about application. There are still few people who does not know about Google Keep guys. So you might be installing Google Docs, Google Excel and spreadsheet. So you might be like having like so many memory storage for that, allocating a memory for those kind of application. Instead of like allocating for each memory application, you can go for Google Keep guys. So Google Keep contains all kind of docs and the slides and the all kind of Google Forms. So everything guys which you have been necessary for college student and working profession, you have everything in the application guys. The best part of Google Keep guys, even you can store your like documents, PDF which have been like for your college life. So instead of in hurry burry, it's some scenarios, especially for studying exams. So I know like we are engineering students, we tend to study at the final day of the examination. So I used to have a hurry burry situation. So I just learned through all kind of my files, which sometimes we couldn't able to find the PDFs and the files which you want to study for examination. So at a scenario, I used Google Keep guys. I used to store all kind of documents in the application. Even if I want to get quick data from my projects, I used to like take down the spreadsheet of the Google using application. I note down everything over there guys. It definitely helps you to like instead of wasting time on searching for some PDFs and the documents, you can go for it guys. So this is the fifth thing I want to suggest you guys. Yes guys, these are 5 applications I want to suggest you guys to install in your mobile phone right now. Will definitely help your career guys. So there are few people who always prefer to use laptop. So for them I have like one more video. So top 5 application for laptop to have time management, guys. I'll make one more video on those application. So that's it from today's video, guys. I hope this video helps you. So as I promised in my starting video, I'll try to make videos on regular basis from today onwards. Sorry for that, it's been like 2 weeks, so I've been like quite messed up with some like external works. So I'll try to make videos on regular basis, guys. That's it from today's video, guys. We'll meet you soon.